Okay. Good morning, each and everyone. So, in the previous lecture, we have done the 3D collage butterfly. I have taught you how to make a 3D collage butterfly. And in this lecture, we are going to do a craft topic. And the topic name is Peacock. And in the bracket, you have to write craft. Yes, we are going to make a peacock. And today, what are the materials which we need is you just have a look at those materials. These are the materials which we need. We need a Fevicol. We need a you can say we need a marker. You can use a scissor. We need sketch pens. We need craft papers. Yes. So these are the things which we need. You can use pencil eraser scale also. Okay. So these are the materials which we needed for making this peacock. So I hope each and everyone is ready for this lecture. So let's begin with this topic. So we need 8 craft papers. Yes, different colors. You can take two similar colors craft paper, and one we needed for the body for making the body of the peacock. So at least we need 9 craft papers. Yes. So let's begin with this. I'll just turn the camera so that you can look at this. Yes, it is visible to each and everyone. Yes, this is visible for each and everyone. These are the materials we need. Craft. We need a Fevicol. We need marker. We need scissor. We need a sketch pen, and we need craft paper. So let's begin with this. So I'm taking paper for making the paper. So what you're going to do? Fold this page into a triangle. Fold this page into a triangle. After folding this page into a triangle, what you're going to do is we are going to make a shape of a peacock. So just look at this. We are going to draw a peacock. Okay, so you can use a pencil and you can start drawing this. Just look at this. This is how you're going to make the peacock. Just look at it. Jebestin, I want you to turn off your camera. Just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. This is the way how you're going to draw it. Yes, after doing this, after you made this, what you're going to do is we are going to cut this thing. But before making the before cutting it, you can take the sketch pens. You can take the sketch pens. Take any color. Here I'm taking light green and dark green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some textures in this way. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. This is how you're going to do it in the whole body of the peacock, this way. Yes, after you complete this, what you're going to do is this is the paper which we have folded. Yes, this is the paper which we have folded. So now what we are going to do is we are going to stick the stick this paper. Okay, so here we are going to take the Fevicol, applying it on this side. As you can see, I'm just applying the Fevicol on the peacock where I need this. Yes, I'm just applying the Fevicol on the peacock side where I have drawn this peacock. Yes, after doing this, I'm just going to fold this page. Yes, here I fold this page in this way. I stick this page. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to just cut this shape out. Yes, this is the way how you're going to do it. This is how you're going to cut the shape of the peacock. Okay, just this is the way how you're going to do it. This is how you're going to cut the peacock. Cut it properly. Okay, this is the way how you're going to cut this shape out this way. Yes, this is how we have taken the shape of the peacock, cutted the proper shape of the peacock over here in this way. Just look at this. Yes, I hope each and everyone can see this. This is the way how we have cutted the peacock out. So now what we are going to do is we are going to make the feathers of the peacock. Okay, so we are going to make the tail of the peacock. For that, what you're going to need is, I hope each and everyone knows what is the fan fold. Yes, I hope each and everyone knows what is fan fold. You have learned from the basic. Just look at this. When you were in the first standard, you have learned how to make a fan. Yes, this is the way how we make the fan. This is called fan folding. Yes, I hope each and everyone knows about this. This is the way how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Yes, this is fan fold. How you're going to do the fan fold. This is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. This is how you're going to do this. Yes, this is the way how we are going to do the fan fold, and you can just cut the extra paper out. You can just cut this extra paper out from this. Yes, this is the way how we have made this fan fold. Yes, knows about this. Now what you're going to do, after you apply this, you just have to fold it from the center, fold it into this half. This is the center. Now what you're going to do is, here we are going to take the Fevicol. Yes, we are going to take the Fevicol and we are going to apply the Fevicol on this part. This is how you're going to do it. After you apply the Fevicol, just paste it over here. Just paste it over here. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. Okay, so just look at this. This is how you're going to do this. So we need at least two same colors. Okay, two same colors we need, and this is how you're going to do it. Here, applying the Fevicol on this part, and just pasting it properly. Yes, after you stick it, just leave it aside. This is how you're going to do it. Again, same way you're going to make some much more fan folds, and of two same colors we need. Okay, two colors you take, same two colors. Yes, and we are going to make this kind of fan fold. Yes, this is how we are going to do it. So here I have already made this things. Here I'm just applying the Fevicol and sticking it properly. Just look at this. This is how you're going to stick this. So this is the way how you're going to do it. Yes, apply the Fevicol properly and paste it. Just look at this. You can see I have taken two same colors, and here I'm sticking these parts. Just look at this. Applying the Fevicol. Just pasting it. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. This is the way how you're going to do this. Just look at this. Here you can see I have taken 8 papers. I've taken 8 papers over here in this way. Yes, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it. So just look at this how you're going to paste it. So first you're going to divide two colors aside. So in the front I'm going to use yellow and green, and at the back I'm going to use orange and red. So now what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do this, just for the example I'm just doing this. Just look at this. First I'm going to paste this green color in this way. Okay, over here the first line will be in this way, and the second line will be over here in this way. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. So just let's begin with this. Here I'm applying the Fevicol. This is the way how I'm applying the Fevicol over here. green and yellow. I'm sticking it together. Just look at this. This is the way how I have stick this both the papers properly. Yes, now I'm going to apply the Fevicol over here. Yes, in this way I have applied the Fevicol properly, and I'm going to stick this over here. Yes, same way on the opposite side. Same way on the opposite side, applying the Fevicol. Here I have applied the Fevicol. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to stick it. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to stick it. And then again applying the Fevicol on this part. Yes, after applying the Fevicol on this part, again I'm going to stick the yellow paper. Yes, just look at this. Here I have stick the yellow paper over here in this way. So now what you're going to do, after you have done this, we are going to work on the next length. So now what we are going to do is we are going to first we are going to stick this both the parts. This is the orange one. From this orange I'm going to stick the red paper over here. Just look at this. Yes, this is how I have stick this red paper in this way. Yes, just look at this. Keeping aside, take the orange color paper, applying the Fevicol and pasting the red color paper over here. Just look at this. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. After you complete this, what you're going to do is we are going to take one more two shades. So here I'm using pink color papers. Okay, I'm using two more pink color papers over here. Just look at this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the fan fold. I'm going to do the fan fold. So first layer we have stick two papers, and on the second layer we are going to stick three papers. Just look at this. The fan fold, whenever you're fan folding, your fan fold should be proper. If your fan fold is not proper, the shape of the peacock and the peacock feather will be, disturbed. So it will not look nice if your all the peacock feathers are not proper. Okay, if your fan fold is not proper, it will not look nice. So this is how we have done this one. On the second one, this is how I am doing the fan fold. Just look at this. The main problem when you do this is many of the students are going from smaller to bigger. When you do the fan fold, your shape turns into small to bigger. No, whenever you're doing this, match the proper edges properly and then you make the proper fold. Yes, first match the proper edges and then fold it. This is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Yes, the edges of this is properly matching. Yes, this is how you're going to do. And then just folding it into half. Then what you're going to do is apply the Fevicol on the center, applying the Fevicol on the center and sticking both the edges. Yes, same way over here. Yes, after doing this, what you're going to do, apply the Fevicol on this part. Yes, apply the Fevicol on this part and just stick it on this side. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. So here you can see how I have stick this. So again, taking the Fevicol, applying the Fevicol and sticking this part this way. Yes, this is how I have stick all the sides properly. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply sticking this part. So here I'm applying the Fevicol. This is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Yes. Now how you're going to do is you're going to stick this part little bit up on the upper side. Yes. This is how you're going to stick it. Coming to the next side, applying the Fevicol and sticking this side over here on the same properly. Just look at this. This is how you're going to paste it, and you're almost your peacock is ready. Just look at this. This is how we have done this. Just look at this. Yes, this is the way how we have made this peacock. Yes, now what the only thing which is remaining is the this side, which we have not yet made the another side properly. We have not made the prints, so I'm going to make the drawing over here. So just look at this. Folding this part properly. Then making the eyes, making the outline properly. Yes, this is the way how I'm making the outline of the peacock. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. After doing this, here I'm making the wings of the peacock. Yes, after doing this, you can take the sketch pen and you can make the detailings of the peacock in this way. Just look at this. This is how you can do it. Yes, this is how you can outline the peacock. Okay, on the both the sides this way. Yes, and I'll just show you how your peacock looks like when you complete it. Just have a look. This is the peacock which we have made with the fan fold. You can add some much more decorative parts and you can do it. Yes, just look at this. This is how you're going to make the fan fold and how I have stick. Just look at it. You can do one more thing. You can do one more thing, and the thing is you can just paste it over here in this way. You can just join both the edges, and it will look like a wall hanging. You can use as a wall hanging in this way. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is how you can make the peacock. Just have a look. This is the back of this peacock and this is the front of the peacock. Yes, this is how you can make it. Just have a look. I'll just keep it on the wall and you can see this is how we have made the peacock. Yes, just look at this. Yes, each and everyone just have a look. This is the peacock which we have made. Yes, isn't it easy and interesting? This is how we have made the peacock. Yes, just look at this. These are the two layers which we have made. Yes, you can do one thing. You can just poke a hole from the up and you can just hold it this way. Just look at this. This is the peacock. You can add much more decorative materials and you can decorate it. Yes, isn't it easy and interesting? Just look at this. How many students have made this? How many students have made this drawing? Yes. How many students have made this craft? Is there anyone who have made this? Anyone in this class who have made this? Just look at this. This is the peacock which we have made. Yes, I have drawn it from both the sides, and this is how I have made this. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this, and you can just poke a hole on the upper side, and you can just leave it in this way. You can hang it over here. As you know, Diwali is coming, so you can just hang this kind of peacock, and you can do this. Yes, I hope each and everyone has understood this. You can add, you can stick much more decorative materials and you can decorate this peacock. Yes, each and everyone. I hope you have understood this topic. Yes. Is there any doubt to any of the student? They can ask me. Just look at this. You can add much more decorative materials and you can do this. You can do one thing is if you have got the sketch pen, you can just make the outer lines or you can just fill the space over here in this way. I'll just show you. You can just do it in this way. Just look at this. You can add some dots over here in the center. You can add the dots. Okay, if you want, you can add the dots over here.